This 2019 Jayco Redhawk 29XKU dinette and sofa bed slide is a Class C RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, Sleep 7, TV, external shower, LP detector, self-contained, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, water heater, slide-out, stove-top burner, microwave, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk-over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2019 Jayco Redhawk 29XKU dinette and sofa bed slide is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.